Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Rejoice and I'm super excited to have you here again. If you are new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you for always watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my hair care tips, okay? I share DIYs and all things natural hair, how to grow your hair and how to care for your hair. So in today's video, I'm teaching you how to properly prepare your aloe vera before you use. So on several occasions, I've heard people saying that they've used aloe vera and it causes itchiness on their scalp, on their face. It causes irritation, and because of that, they don't think they'll be using it again. So now this yellowish thing in this aloe vera that you are seeing is very poisonous, and it is what causes the itchiness and the irritation you experience. So today I'll be teaching you how to properly prepare or wash your aloe vera before using it. This yellowish thing is called aloin. It is very harmful to your scalp and it is very harmful to the skin also. So some people don't usually wash their aloe vera properly before using it. So today I'll be showing you how to do that. So without any further ado, let's get straight into today's video. So yes, all I had to do was to just get a cup of water and wash my aloe vera. Now if you're running water, you can also go ahead and use your tap to wash the aloe vera. But because at this moment I don't have a running water, that is why I'm making use of the bowl and just water to wash it. So the next thing is to cut this particular part out. Okay, you cut it out and then I'll wash it again before chopping it into the desired size I want to use. Okay, so aloe vera is very important to the hair. It is very beneficial to the hair and the skin. Aloe vera contains enzymes that helps remove dead skin cells from the scalp, allowing hair follicles to grow properly, which in turn helps to promote hair growth. Aloe vera also reduces itchiness in the scalp and reduce dandruff. Its anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties help to soothe itchiness and reduce dandruff from the scalp. Aloe vera acts as a natural conditioner, making hair soft and smooth and very shiny. It also strengthens the hair strands. Aloe vera is rich in vitamin A, C, E, and B12 that nourish and strengthen the hair from root to the tips, okay? It helps to maintain a healthy pH level of the scalp, encouraging healthy hair growth. Aloe vera also is good for your skin. It helps to soothe sunburn. Its cooling properties helps calm and heal sunburn in your skin. It fights acne. If you are having acne, aloe vera contains salicylic acid and antibacterial compounds that helps to fight pimples and prevent breakout. Aloe vera has a lot of benefits for your hair and skin. Okay, so after chopping my aloe vera into these sizes that I want, I went ahead to wash it and I soak it, and I will allow it to sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, depending on when you see that yellowish water is normal. When that yellowish water is normal, then you should know that your aloe vera is ready. But at most you should let your aloe vera sit in water for 15 to 20 minutes. I let mine for 15 minutes and I drained the water out and I was good to go. Okay, so 15 minutes is very okay. Now this is my aloe vera and it is ready for use. When you apply this on your scalp and your hair, on your scalp or your face, trust me, there won't be any form of itchiness because all the aloin has been washed away, has been properly washed. So now this, at this stage, you can use your aloe vera without any problem or any fear of irritation. Okay, so if you are still watching and you have not yet subscribed to this channel, do well to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever I drop a new video. And so tell me in the comment section what your experience has been or has ever been with using aloe vera. Okay, I would like to know your experience. See you in my next video. Bye.